guys, Gio's here, I'm here, the baby's back there crying, and we're going to go get the car a car wash because it's very needed, because he makes the car really dirty. So I look crazy because I showered this morning, but we're now at Quick Quack. If you don't know what Quick Quack is, it's like a car wash. And I don't know if they're opening all over the place or what, because they're opening a bunch over here. And they're doing 10 days of free car washes, so we're here to wash the car. And they gave Micah this cute little duck, and he's right here. But I want to see how he reacts, and I'm going to get his reaction here on film. But I'm about to feed him some apples, because I want to start feeding him lunch. So it's in here. Here's the apples in the cute baby bullet container. Come on. He's smiling. Look, Micah. Micah did his first car wash! I survived! Yay! He just seemed like confused. I think he started to get scared a little bit because he started to shake his hands and then he stopped. But I'm kind of surprised he didn't cry. Maybe it helped that I was holding him. Yeah. Wow! I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! Yay! Look at his teeth. He has teeth coming in. I don't know if you can see them, but they're right there and they're coming in. Look at his cute little mocks. Woo! Now we gotta go clean the car. I'm back here with Micah because he's really fussy. He only took a really short nap today, and literally like 10-15 minutes, maybe not even that. And so he's kind of fussy right now. Now he's quiet, but he's sleepy. Are you sleepy? Say yeah, mama. I'm sleepy. Yeah. Well, now we just went to Walmart after cleaning our car. It looks so much better. I didn't show you before, but just trust me, it was bad. And we wiped it, vacuumed it. It looks awesome. Then we went to Walmart because I needed some detergent because I'm going to get some cloth diapers in on Tuesday, and I don't have the car hardly ever anymore since Gio works and goes to school full time. And he needed some things as well. And now we're at El Kiosco because I was really craving something from here. And then we're gonna go home. Say hi. Say hello. Say hello. Can I see? Can I see? Look, there it goes. I want to try to get it on like the camera. It won't focus. There. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah. Gio forgot his backpack today and he has to go to school like right after work. So we took him his backpack. My grandma bought me some Starbucks. There's my dog. Here's Micah. I'm gonna nurse him and play on my iPad, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and let him watch Elmo play toys or something and try to read some of my textbook because I have so much to read. Remember my last vlog how I'm like pretty simple, spoke too soon. I'm like stressing over nothing, but so that's what we're gonna do. Say hello. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? So I'm about to do some schoolwork. Micah's right here and my room's a mess. Ignore that. I have not barely been able to do much today. I was just kind of like enjoying staying downstairs talking with my family. But Micah, I'm going to let him watch Elmo. And Gio just got a new like chair for the desk, which is awesome because the last one broke. So I'm going to let him watch Elmo and I'm going to do my schoolwork and hopefully he lets me get in
you failed the floor inspection. I'm
So I did homework for about an hour on and off, tending to Micah, changing the show to Moana, trying to keep him from getting my textbook. And I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages done. I haven't took notes on the last page that I read just yet. But I'm going to try to get Micah to nap because it's about time for him to nap. And he's not going to nap on his own. So I either have to nurse him and put him in the bouncer. But I'm probably just going to get into bed with him and watch some YouTube or something and put him to sleep. And then continue reading my book. I'm putting a little ponytail. Crazy head is awake from his nap. My shirt is like up and it just got on my arm and my leg and my stomach, I mean. But here he is acting crazy, trying to climb all over me. I'm about to nurse him. He took, I don't know how long his nap was. I want to say like maybe almost an hour and a half. I wasn't really paying attention, but yeah. I want to say that I tried to make him sleep around 3 and he woke up around 5. So I kind of played on my phone a little bit and then I started reading my book again, and I have like 2 pages left until I can take the quiz, and I'll just work on that tonight after he goes to bed. But his hair is crazy. I just checked my classes. I still have 2 more weeks almost, approximately, until I have to start my 2nd class, and I'm just so anxious to take more classes. Because I'm really not someone that likes to like give up my sleep. So even if I have something to do, I just like try to rush the next day and I still sleep because I need my sleep. But I think this semester there's definitely going to be late nights and I just don't deal well with sleep deprivation. Some people are like, I got no sleep last night, but you know, we're going through the day. No, I turn into a mega bee. I get very cranky, very not nice. And so I need my sleep. Then I'm a nice person. Right. Mommy gets frustrated really easy when she's sleepy. Yeah. Just like you. Just like you. I want to show you guys them playing. Him and his puppy. This is really gross. This like spit up. Ew, dude. He's so sweaty. I had to change his clothes off because he spit up. And he's so red. Your puppy! Your puppy! Be nice to puppy. Be nice to puppy. Be nice. Be nice. Nice to puppy. Look, soft. Soft. Yeah. Manny's like, stay away from me. Oh, my babies. Oh, babies. I'm going to watch. What am I going to watch? I didn't finish watching it. I didn't actually watch it. I watched it, but I didn't watch it. I'm going to watch Life as a Mommy. I'm dressed like crap, so don't judge my clothes. Here's Gio. But let's clean. Today has been pretty chill. Mike and I woke up at a normal time. I'm babysitting right now, actually. I won't show you guys the baby because he's not mine, so I'm not going to show you him. But I'm babysitting him and watching Micah as well. And they're both being really cute, playing on the ground right here in front of me. And they've just been playing with toys like all day. They napped at the same time and now they're playing again. And last night, Micah's cloth diapers actually came in. Let me show you guys before I forget. So right now I have them where I keep the disposable diapers. And here they are. I got an Elmo print, a print with like Batman and Spider-Man, which Micah's wearing right now. This cute cow print. And this cute little Winnie the Pooh print. I only got 4 to try, and I only got 4 of these charcoal bamboo inserts. These are called pocket diapers for cloth diapers. There's a bunch of different kinds, but I decided this one because it's kind of closer to all-in-one, that like the diaper stays together, but I really like that it's customizable, so I can put more or less inside of the diaper depending on how absorbent I want it to be. I really don't know what works yet with the inserts. I only have this one right now, so I think it's just kind of a little bit of trial and error and personal preference. And these are supposed to fit them from 8 pounds to 35 pounds, so not exactly newborn, but when they're still small all the way up to potty training. And these buttons are how you adjust the size on it. And Micah's on diaper 2, and he had his first poop in it. It wasn't bad at all. It was fairly easy. What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah. Yeah. Are you okay? He didn't mean to. I promise. He didn't know he hurt you. Remember you made him cry earlier? There. Are you okay, baby? And the reason I wanted to cloth diaper is because this guy explodes out of his poopy diapers all of the time. And I've tried several different brands. I've tried sizing up. I've tried going back down to size. You name it, I've probably tried it. And cloth diapers seem to help a lot of people. And his first dirty diaper was a poop diaper, and it all stayed in. So I'm pretty happy. And they're really cute. And you can use them for the next baby. I'm all about saving money in the long run. Hi! Say hello! Say the other baby hit me on accident and now I'm mad. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Handsome baby. It's Wednesday. Here's Manny. There's Manny right there, just chilling on the bed. I just got ready, brushed my hair, washed my face, brushed my teeth, put on some clothes, and Micah's right over here playing with his toys. He woke up, had breakfast, got a bath, and he's wearing a cloth diaper right now. It's the last one out of the 4 that I have. So after this one, we have to go back to using disposables. I'm going to use them like probably at least 2 more times before buying more, just to make sure that like I really do like them. But so far, I really like them a lot. Like, they're not even that hard to do or anything. So I'm going to wash them for the first time probably today. So we'll see how that goes. And he's just down there playing. He just woke up from his first nap. And while he napped, I kind of watched YouTube and read some of my textbook. Here's Micah on the ground playing. I'm surprised he's not crying. He's just chilling. I think I'm going to start introducing lunch to him. So I think I'm going to go give him that and start with 2 ounces. Because I think by 8 months, I want him to be eating lunch like every day. And then closer by 9 months, I want him to be eating 4 ounces 3 times a day of baby food. Right now he's eating 8 ounces. Not 2 times a day. He's eating 8 ounces a day total. So 4 ounces at each meal. Breakfast and dinner. But here's Mikeyito. I'm gonna be doing a day in my life. Just wait. It's just gonna be like a lot to film. And so yeah. I'm really surprised he's not crying yet. Normally he would be crying. Micah, baby. Here's Micah. We're gonna eat some lunch. This high chair is awesome. It's from IKEA. It's super cheap. Exactly what I wanted in a high chair. And then I'm gonna put this on him, which is a bib. And this is also from IKEA. And he's wearing pajamas today because it was cold. And he has nap hair. But it's really nice because if he's wearing sleeves like this, I can put this on and it will protect his clothing. Why are you crying? There we go. Okay, and then we are going to be feeding him some homemade spinach, and it has a little bit of baby oatmeal in it because it was real runny, and that's the only time I use baby cereal or oatmeal is to thicken this up. Otherwise, you can make your own baby cereal with some brown rice, I believe it is. I haven't done it yet. And then we have his water here, little Paw Patrol thing that his grandma got him, and it has a straw. And I like to give him water because sometimes he gets a little constipated. I don't think this will make him constipated, but he does enjoy the water. Here, like this, baby. Your food's too hot right now. And this is only 2 ounces of baby food. Mmm. Yummy water. And it also has like this little pelican bib or whatever it's called at the bottom, so it will catch the food. No, kitty. No, no, kitty. No, no, kitty. No, no, kitty. Yeah. Say, kitty, leave my food alone, kitty. Say, yeah. Say, kitty, this is my food. Yeah. Yeah. A little bit, okay? He likes spinach, which I'm really surprised. He really enjoys spinach and carrots, actually. Spinach, spinach, spinach. No. No. Yeah, tell the kitty to leave us alone. Yeah. And of course, you're not doing it right unless he spills some on you. You like the water? Here's baby. We're watching Elmo. After this episode, I'm going to watch something. He's getting fussy. It's getting close to nap time, and he's being really wiggly. He's being super wiggly. He's trying to crawl, and he is playing with the Elmo. He's playing with his Oscar, but then he decides he wants my Yeti. Then he does this and cries because he needs help. Oh my goodness, you rolled over by yourself! Yay! Guys, he would have never done that before. I am so proud of him. And then he wants the phone, and when I tell him no, he gets upset. But for the most part, he's watching Elmo and he's trying to crawl all over the bed. Except when I just try to make him sit still, he doesn't want to. So I guess this is what everyone was telling me about when they start to get more mobile. Which is cute, don't get me wrong. And here's Manny. And he's watching Elmo. He loves Elmo so much. Yeah? You like Elmo? He's doing disposable because we ran out of the cloth diapers. I'm actually washing them for the first time. So we'll see how this goes. I love him so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. No, stop. Stop, he's sleeping. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a ton. Oh my God. That's a downside of living with people. They just come bang on your door when your baby's asleep. But I think he's okay for now. Back to sleep. I got a package and I know what this is. I was actually sent this from a company called My Lily Dills, and it's a waist trainer. So I really want to start working out and trying to get some hips, because girlfriends, I have no hips, okay? It's really sad. Here it is. They had a lot of different colors. I got it just in black because I'm not really sure how this works. I've never waist trained. And I'm pretty sure you have to wear it like several hours a day. So if I'm wearing it underneath of clothing, I want it to like not show. I'll talk more about it after I've used it a little while and like have seen the differences or whatever. And then I'll tell you guys how much I liked it. I'm a small. I thought I would be extra small, but no. I'm a small. Yeah, I'm definitely a small. Extra small would have really been tight. I don't know if it's like on correctly or not. I'm just like putting it on right now just to see. But that's how it looks. I do have a coupon code for this. It's babym, like baby Micah, just babym, like we called him when I was pregnant, and it will get you 10% off, and that will be in the description box below if you're interested in one of these. Okay, so I'm going to do a face mask, and I want to see if it scares Micah, because he gets scared if I like wash my face and there's soaps on my face, or if I put on a shower cap. So I want to do the face mask. Let's see how he reacts. Yeah. These sheet masks. Let's do the pore minimizing one. I leave it on for 20 minutes, so 8:30. Look, Mama, look, Micah. Look, look, look. Hi. 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 It's cold. Oh, it's so cold. Just to rub it in. Wow, Mama looks cool. Wow, cool, Mama. Ooh, that looks scary. Ooh. Micah? Hi. It's Mama. Hi. It's Mommy. It's like sliding off my face. Oh. You're not scared? You're not scared? Is Mama? I guess you're not scared. Good job. Are you playing, baby? It's really dark in here and his hair is getting so long. It's always in his eyes now and doesn't stay to the side like it used to. He's just playing on the ground with his toys. His toys are everywhere. He has some Elmo toys right there. His little piano, some blocks, some little rings. Elmo behind him. There's Cookie Monster right there. And he's gonna eat Cookie Monster. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Yummy! Wow! Wow, baby! No way! Crazy, baby!